Look at these two pairs of sunglasses. Telling the difference between the $20 budget pair and the $150 premium pair is a visual impossibility. This creates a massive hurdle for anyone standing at a checkout counter. It feels like a potential scam to hand over $150 for something that looks identical to a pair you'd find at a gas station. To understand what justifies that 700% price increase, we have to look past the design and analyze the hidden mechanics and material science inside the frames. Marketing departments don't help much. They usually just lean on vague promises of high performance or superior protection that keep the actual facts hidden from everyday buyers. In reality, the decision to spend more isn't about how you look, but a choice between specific, unseen trade-offs in optical engineering and structural integrity. Most people buy expensive shades because they assume cheap lenses will eventually damage their eyes. There is a deep-seated fear that the sun's rays will leak through lower-priced materials. But the objective data tells a different story. These identical scores show that a standard drugstore pair blocks 100% of UV rays, just as effectively as a high-end designer model. UV protection is achieved through a chemical coating that is remarkably cheap to produce. It isn't a premium feature. It is a manufacturing standard found at every price point. The metric that actually determines if an upgrade is necessary is continuous wear time, the specific number of hours you intend to wear them without taking them off. Since baseline safety is a constant, we have to look at the physical construction and lens quality to see if the premium price holds any weight over long periods of use. Starting with frame materials, budget shades use lightweight plastics for cheap mass production. However, in the afternoon sun, these soften and permanently warp. Premium frames utilize high-grade acetate or titanium with reinforced hinges, maintaining exact shape and rigidity even under stress. When a cheap frame warps, it loses its balance. This is why budget sunglasses slide down your nose or pinch the sides of your head after just a few weeks of ownership. The most important comparison happens within the lenses. Cheap lenses are stamped out of plastic sheets, creating microscopic visual distortions baked into the material. To see clearly through a distorted lens, your eye muscles must continuously micro-adjust to find sharp focus. You won't notice this happening in real time, but after an hour or more, those constant adjustments lead to significant eye strain and tension headaches. Higher-end sunglasses utilize cast mineral glass or optical-grade polycarbonate to solve this. These lenses are precisely molded to be completely free of distortion, providing a level of clarity that plastic stamps simply cannot match. Choosing a higher quality lens is an investment in physical comfort. It eliminates the muscular fatigue that often ruins a long drive or a day spent working outdoors. The final variable to consider is polarization, which handles how the glasses manage reflected glare. Polarization acts as a filter that blocks horizontal light waves, the kind of intense light that reflects off flat, bright surfaces. This blinding reflection is a major hazard for anyone driving on wet roads or navigating a boat through open water. Cheap glasses apply this filter as a thin surface coating that scratches off over time, leaving patchy protection. Premium models sandwich the filter between solid layers of glass, making the glare reduction a permanent feature that never wears away. Permanent polarization is a necessity for the highway or the ocean, but it is an unnecessary cost if you only wear your shades for short walks in the city. To figure out which tier you actually need, we have to match this engineering data to your specific lifestyle habits. Start here. Do you find yourself wearing sunglasses for more than an hour at a time? If the answer is no, if you're just running quick errands or attending a music festival, the budget tier is the correct choice. You get full UV protection for $20, and you don't have to worry if you accidentally sit on them or leave them behind at a restaurant. However, if you are a long-term wearer, the chart asks one more thing. Are you frequently driving, boating, or working in high-glare environments? If that sounds like your day-to-day, then the premium tier is where you should put your money. Matching the price to your actual usage prevents you from overpaying for features you don't use, or suffering through eye strain because your gear isn't up to the task. Just be careful as you move into the extreme high end of the market, where prices can easily climb past the $300 mark. This is the brand tax. Past a certain point, you aren't paying for better glass or stronger hinges. You're paying for the luxury logo printed on the temple. Optical clarity and frame durability plateau significantly around $150 to $200. Anything beyond that offers no functional improvement for your vision. Use budget shades for short-term utility, invest in middle tier for long-term comfort, but never assume a designer label provides more protection than standard pairs.